The finance bill that is coming up for debate and hopefully as known in Kenya, they may find their way with it. But we as a church do take note of the fact that we have a very insensitive government. That even after going through difficult times in 2023, when promises were made that things may get better in the future, Kenyans did struggle through the year, and even as we began, there was some hope. And here comes a bill that kind of dims that hope. We want to tell the government that they are being insensitive to the cry of the Kenyan that is adversely affected by this bill. When we have a wasteful government, and whenever they even talk about cutting down on expenditure in certain areas, they have not yet lived to that talk. So the alternative that I would propose to this government is to relook at their budget and do things in a way that does not overburden Kenyans. The greatest tragedy of our nation is that justice, professionalism, equity, and equality before the law has been sacrificed at the altar of corruption. Political power is continuously being used for selfish enrichment at the expense of the citizens who are trapped in downward spiral of impoverishment. We, after reflection, do recommend that the government plans and budgets be primarily focused on production and value addition, not just on expenditure for purchase of goods and services. This regional conference have noted with a lot of concern that policies being put in place by Parliament and county governments are killing dignified livelihoods among our citizens. The Finance Act passed by parliaments in the last 5 years, as well as the county finance appropriation bills, have systematically muzzled business and investments by raising taxes to unmanageable levels. This is killing the future lives of our people by hindering micro-level industrialization. To remedy this, we strongly recommend that the county governments provide favorable business environments by consolidating and rationalizing all fees, levies, and licenses required by different agencies and authorities.
Na wa dhukuru omwe kuma Korea mwena wa Kakamega amutunguru